Can you see yourself in the 2022 Hyundai Tucson? With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This upscale Tucson crossover is ready to make even the most routine errands feel enjoyable. Its meticulous quality of construction, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, European sensibility, and smooth, refined ride infuse every journey with confidence and satisfaction. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, keyless start, lane keeping assist, backup camera, power driver seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.